Hello guys, today we will learn most important English phrases with pictures. Are you ready? Let's start.
Alarm goes off. To wake up. To get up. To take a shower. To have a shower. To take a bath. To have a bath. To put on makeup. To shave. To wash your hair. To dry your hair. To iron a shirt. To get dressed. To brush your teeth. To wash your face. To brush your hair. To make the bed. To have breakfast. To eat breakfast. To do the housework. To leave the house. To go to work. To go to school. To catch the train. To catch the bus. To drive. To arrive late. To start work. To have a break. To have lunch. To eat lunch. To finish work. To leave work. To work overtime. To go home. To buy groceries. To cook dinner. To have dinner. To eat dinner. To clear the table. To listen to the radio. To watch TV. To check your emails. To have tea or coffee. To drink tea or coffee. To do the dishes. To wash the dishes. To walk the dog. To read a newspaper. To go out with friends. To go to a cafe. To call a friend. To call your family. To do homework. To put the children to bed. To take out the trash. To take out the rubbish. To feed the dog. To feed the cat. To go to bed.